If your WordPress website is suddenly showing a completely blank white screen, don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the WordPress white screen error step by step. This issue is often called the white screen of death, and it can look scary because there's no error message, just a blank page. But the good news is, in most cases, it's very easy to fix. Make sure you watch this video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress fixes and tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to understand is that the white screen error is usually caused by a plugin conflict, a theme issue, or a PHP memory problem. So we're going to go through each possible fix one by one. Step 1 is to enable debugging. This is the most crucial step because instead of seeing a blank screen, you'll be able to see the actual error message that's causing the issue. To do this, access your website files using FTP or your hosting file manager. Then locate the wp-config.php file in your root WordPress directory. Open that file and look for the line that says define wp-debug false. Change false to true. This tells WordPress to display errors instead of hiding them. If your site is live and you don't want errors displayed publicly, you can log errors to a file instead. Just add these two lines below the wp-debug line. Define wp-debug display, false, and define wp-debug log, true. This will create a debug.log file inside your WP content folder where you can safely review the errors. Save the file and refresh your website to see what error appears. Next, check your email. If you're using WordPress version 5.2 or newer, WordPress automatically sends a recovery mode email to the admin email address whenever a critical error occurs. Open your inbox and look for an email from WordPress with details about the issue. Inside that email, you'll find a special recovery mode link. Click it, log in, and WordPress will take you into recovery mode where you can safely fix the problem directly from your dashboard. Now let's move to the most common cause, plugin conflicts. If you can access your admin dashboard, go to Plugins and deactivate all plugins at once. After deactivating them, refresh your website. If the site loads correctly, then one of your plugins was causing the issue. Reactivate them one by one, refreshing the site each time until the white screen appears again. The last plugin you activated is the problem. Delete it or replace it with an alternative. If you cannot access the dashboard, go to your hosting file manager or FTP, navigate to the WP content folder and rename the plugins folder to something like plugins-old. This will automatically deactivate all plugins. Then check your site again. If that doesn't fix it, the next step is to switch to a default WordPress theme. Sometimes your active theme may have broken code. Log into your dashboard, go to Appearance, then Themes, and activate a default theme like 2024. If you don't have dashboard access, go to wp-content/themes using FTP and rename your current theme folder. WordPress will automatically switch to a default theme if one is installed. Another common reason for the white screen error is insufficient PHP memory. To fix this, open your wp-config.php file again. Just above the line that says, "That's all, stop editing, happy blogging," add this line. Define WP memory limit 256 MB. Save the file and refresh your site. This increases your memory limit and often resolves the issue instantly. After following these steps, your WordPress site should be back up and running. The key is to troubleshoot methodically. Enable debugging, check recovery email, deactivate plugins, switch themes, and increase memory limit. And that's how you fix the WordPress white screen error step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress troubleshooting guides and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.